Full HD 1080p native resolution. 2019 new upgraded LED projector provides standard 1920 horizontal and 1080 vertical native physical pixels, 15,000:1 contrast ratio, matches the best sound quality, as well as true color LCD panels. Up to 97% more bright, with 4200 lumens LED white light, this movie projector offers vivid and bright colors even in daylight environments. Up to 300 big screen, ideal for gaming, home or outdoor theater, video projector and PPT presentations. SPDIF for HiFi Sound Quality. The 1080p projector with 2x USB ports, HDMI audio out interface and 2x IR receiver is compatible with most of devices. Professional SPDIF out interface and 2 built-in 10W chamber stereo speakers offers you amazing hi-fi experience. This projector doesn't support the Dolby. Please switch off the Dolby of device connected, or will be no sound. Respond quickly and smoothly. Equipped with BOP-dependent 1080p LCD panels, our projector is quicker than most smart TVs and there is no lamp warming up time needed, perfect for a game projector. 3 years warranty. Our HDMI projector with longer lifespan LED lamps exceed 50,000 hours is guaranteed for 3 years. If you have any problem, please feel free to contact us. We offer 7/24H friendly customer service. Click the link below for more reviews and limited discount offer. Note: recommended to clear off cookies and browser history for discount activation.